Part of my job as a realtor is to provide value to the consumers. Now, I just recently came across and got involved with a great program which is offering some tremendous incentives from the government. The program is actually called the GreenON program. And what this program offers is incentives for you as a homeowner or business owner actually to replace some items in the household such as your windows, your insulation, and they actually offer some very generous incentives and put cash back into your pocket. As an example, I just recently chose to have a majority of my windows replaced in my home, and the total bill came to just shy of $10,000, and the government's going to actually reimburse me $5,000 of that cost. Also too, I elected to take advantage of the insulation grants which are available. So to add additional insulation to my attic cost me $1,600, but the government's going to write me a check which I will receive in 8 to 12 weeks for $1,400. So the advantages of this program are very clear. Of course, in the long term, you're going to save a lot of money in your heating, cooling, and your hydro costs. So if you're interested in receiving more information about this program, I am going to post a link to this website down below in the comments section. But alternatively, if you'd like to speak to me directly, I'd be happy to help. I will post my contact information down below. And if you need some recommendations to some great contractors or people who are involved in the program, seeing as I just walked through and I did get a few quotes from a few different people, I'd be happy to share the information that I found.